Hello everyone, this is your mentor Ayush from IIT Madras. So today we are with our new question, that is calculate the number of electrons constituted in 1 coulomb of charge or present in 1 coulomb of charge. So what is coulomb actually? In last lecture we had studied about coulomb. Coulomb was a scientist who discovered the charge. Charge was discovered by several scientists, by several efforts of some scientists. So Coulomb had given the unit of this charge. So after Coulomb only the unit of charge came, that is Coulomb on his name. One law is also there, like gravitational law, which we had studied earlier. Earlier in our smaller classes we had studied universal law of gravitation in 9th class. So that expression and the Coulombian expression, like Coulomb's law of electrostates, is same as the gravitational law, okay, universal gravitational law, which was propounded by Newton, which was given by Newton. So now we have to solve this question. What approach should be made to solve this question? What approach? So think of 9 seconds, just take 9 seconds, and what approach should you take? Again I am explaining how to solve a numerical solving approaches, how fast you can solve and how accurately you can solve a numerical. Okay, so what is the basic approach? The first approach is write all the given items, write all the given data which is given in the question. What are the given data? So calculate the number of electrons. Electron is given. Do you know the value of electron? In last lecture we had studied, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90. That's the modulus of that value. Okay, E. The value of E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 in coulombs. Okay, what's the unit of this charge? Coulombs. So they had given 1 coulomb. Q is equal to 1 coulomb. Charge is 1 coulomb basically. Charge is 1 coulomb. So what they asked? Number of electrons, N. We have to find what? N. Given item is clear, given data is clear, E is also clear. Okay, so what we have to find is also clear. Then what we are waiting for? Think of a formula which can related to these three quantities: electron, charge, and number of electrons. Value of electron, charge, and number of electrons. So what's that basic formula? Very fundamental formula. Q is equal to N times E. N times E. These three things are available in this formula. So this formula is under our range, in our range. So Q, substitute the values, substitute these values in this equation. So 1 is equal to N times 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. How to simplify this expression so that we can get the value in terms of N? So again, when we simplify this expression, N is equal to 100 by 6 into 10 to the power 18. 100 by 6 into 10 to the power 18. Okay, 100 by 16. That's called observation. Whenever you are writing some values, you have to carefully note it down. Okay, it was 16 and I was saying it was 6. No, it was not 6, it was 16. That's the careful observations. So this is nothing but 16 1 to 16 and this value is 6.25 times. Okay, N is equal to 6.25. N is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electron. How much big this value is? How bigger this value is? Do you know what is this scale? Very large scale. 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons means 625. You can write it as 625, and after that you have to add 16 zeros. 16 zeros. After this you have to add how many zeros? Up to 16 zeros. This much big number. This much big amount of number. This much big value. 625 into 10 to the power 16. 16 electrons are constituted in 1 coulomb of charge. Electrons are constituted in 1 coulomb of charge. I take a snapshot of it. Thank you.